How to reopen recently closed Safari tabs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. Safari is Apple's web browser, allowing you to browse websites, bookmark favorites, and manage multiple tabs at once. Once you're inside the browser, tap on the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner and tap on All Tabs. This takes you to the tab overview screen, where you can view all your open web pages. Now, tap on the plus icon at the bottom and simply tap on the recently closed tab below to reopen it from the list. As you can see, the selected web page will immediately reload on your screen. Following these steps, you can easily reopen recently closed tabs on Safari on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.